Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are enjoying learning with Grammar Game. I'm back with new video and new concept. We have learned about phonics and the phonic sound. Today we will start two letter words. And the pattern will be V and C. The pattern will be VC. And what is VC? V refers vowel and C refers consonant. As you know about the vowels, there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 letters of alphabets are consonants. So our pattern will be B and C. So let's start reading two letters with vowel and consonants. Our first letter will be vowel and vowel A. We will take first vowel A. This is our vowel, this is our vowel, and the second letter is consonant, and that is M. Now we will read it with phonic sound. What is the phonic sound of A? Yes, that is A. That is A. And what is the sound of M? It's a M. It's a M. We will read it together. A, M, M. M. Okay. A, M, M. We have to read it just like that. And we have to practice the targets like that. Okay. Now we will make another word. Vowel will be the same A and the next consonant is N. And what is the sound of N? It's a It's a So A, N, A, N. Good. Now the next consonant, and that is a S. And what is the sound of S? Is So we will read it like A, S, A, S. The next letter is T, and the sound of that is ta. The sound is ta. A, ta, act, a, ta, act. Good. Now the next letter is P, and the sound is that pa. क्या sound है? Pa. A, pa, a. Uh-oh. But it is not a word. It's not a two-letter word. Why it is not a word? Because it doesn't have any sense. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. But we are learning it. Because we are learning reading. हमें ये पढ़ना सीखना है. बच्चों को पढ़ाना सिखाना है. So that they can read a big letters easily. Big words easily. Okay. So that's why we are learning this. So this is A, pa, A. The next letter is D, and the sound is da. And we will read it together. A, da, at. A, da, at. And the next letter is B. And the word is a, ba, a, ba, a. Okay. Now our vowel A is done for two letters. Now we will start next vowel. Now our next vowel is I, and we will learn to make two letter words with vowel I. But where is vowel E? इसके बाद तो vowel E होना चाहिए था. Why we are not making words with vowel E? Because the sound of vowel A and E is very similar. A very little difference which they give, and it will create confusion to our kids. That's why we are taking vowel I. We are not following vowel E. So with vowel we will make two letter word. The sound of I is E. Yes, E. And our next letter, that is consonant, it is T. It is T. And and the sound of T is ta. The sound of I is I, and the sound of T is ta. I, t, I, t, it. That is it. The next consonant is S, and the sound is I, I, is. Next consonant is N, and the sound is I, in. The next letter is P, and the sound is pa. I, pa, it, I, pa, ip. And the next letter is D, and the sound of D is da. I, da, it. So our vowel I is also done. Now we will take next vowel. Our next vowel is O, and the sound is A. And the next letter with that is A, and the sound is A. The next letter is T, and the sound is ta. Ot. The next letter is N, and the sound is on. And the next letter is, which is a consonant, that is G, and the sound is ga. Og. Our next letter is R, and the sound is R. So now vowel O is also done, and our last vowel, that is U. We will make word with vowel U. So let's start with vowel U, and the sound is A. Now we will take consonant, that is a P, and the sound of P is pa. Up, that is up. The next letter is N, and the sound is that and we will read it together, an. Our next letter is G, and the sound of G is ga. Ug. And the next letter is D, and the sound of D is da. Ad. And our last letter, that is B, and the sound is ba. The sound is ba. Up. So our two-letter word is done with all vowels. Now what you have to do? You have to practice of these two-letter words again and again. Now you should know to read that, so that you can start three-letter words in our next session. I would like to see one thing, that my videos are in sequence. They will definitely help you in reading. I will keep on uploading my videos that will give you all the information about the phonics. So without delay, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.